Golden Wine Vacation
Ciao.
Travelers. This is Paolo and Giada
This
from
is Giada
Tuscany.
and Paolo.
They're waiting for you. We miss you a lot. We've been missing you a lot all winter, and we can't wait to start all over again. See you soon
Ciao,
here.
see you soon.
Ciao, ciao.
Buongiorno a tutti. My name is Luciana. I live in a beautiful town, ancient town, in the center of Italy, in the district of Umbria. Come to Italy and visit Umbria. We wait for you.
Hola, we're waiting for you in Portugal.
Bon appetit. See you.
Greetings from Bordeaux. We look forward to receiving you whenever it's possible to come.
Hi from Piedmont, I'm Alessandra. This is Marco here via Skype. We are working from home, but we are waiting for you here. Ciao!
Buongiorno. I'm Marco, one of the guides here in the Piedmont.
Hot, so I'm just offering you a beautiful view of this beautiful lavandine field in bloom, and I hope that you will come soon to see this.
Hi there. We are waiting for you in Sicily.
Hola, we wait for you in Rioja. Cheers.
Hello, greetings from Slovenia. Spring is here, everything is blooming. It's really, really nice. So I really hope to see you soon. Bye.
The Spanish wine. Cheers and all the best.
We will be here for you when you're ready to travel again.